Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, you probably want to enable Always On Display on your Samsung M47, but you can't find the setting, or you're not sure whether your phone supports this feature. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you everything you need to know. Always On Display lets you check the time, date, battery level, and notifications without unlocking your phone. It's one of the most convenient Samsung features because you can see important information with just a quick glance at the screen. However, many users open the Settings app and can't find the Always On Display option. Others see different menus after a software update and think the feature has been removed. That's why it's important to know exactly where to look and how to configure it properly.